Hello my girls, how are you today? I hope you're doing well and ready for a new video about how to change your appearance.
Yes!
Because apparently you guys really love these kinds of videos.
Yeah, of course.
Changing your appearance and looking better does not require making some huge, extreme transformation. Spending money on expensive products, buying trendy clothes, or doing your makeup in a specific way. No, none of that. Changing your appearance actually starts with small little steps. And in this video, my girl, yes, in this video, I'm going to reveal them to you. So, my beautiful girl, get comfortable because I'm here as your internet bestie to give you the best tips. My beautiful girl, the fastest glow up is literally the way you carry yourself. Stand taller, shoulders relaxed, chin slightly up. People notice confidence before they notice your makeup. Walk slower and more feminine instead of rushing everywhere. Your energy changes your whole appearance instantly. Act like the prettiest version of yourself first. The confidence glow is so real. You don't need expensive hairstyles to look prettier. A slick ponytail, soft waves, or a claw clip can change everything, literally everything. Messy hair can make you feel tired without realizing it. Find one hairstyle that makes you feel that girl. Pretty hair automatically makes your face look more polished. So remember this, simple hair, instant upgrade. Okay, but pretty girls always smell good. Use lotion, shampoo, or even baby powder. Yes, with a soft scent. You don't need expensive perfume to smell amazing. Fresh scents make you feel more feminine and put together. People remember how you smell more than you think. Even clean clothes and fresh hair help so much. Smelling good gives luxury energy instantly. This one changes your face so much. Relax your forehead and jaw during the day. Try a softer expression instead of looking stressed all the time, you know. A small, natural smile makes you look prettier instantly. Your face holds tension when you're anxious or upset. Looking softer gives such elegant, feminine energy. Pretty girls protect their peace and, very important, their expressions. Okay, my girls, a little break, but I'm back. Some colors literally make your face look brighter. Try soft pink, white, black, cream, or colors that match your vibe. Honestly, wearing the wrong colors can make you look tired. Believe me, this happened to me most of the time when I'm trying, some new colors, and I look kind of different in the mirror. I look different, I don't look good to be honest. Notice which outfits make you feel prettier immediately. You don't need more clothes, just better color choices. The right colors make your skin and eyes pop naturally. It's giving effortless glow up energy. Yes girl, your phone affects your appearance too. Stop consuming content that makes you feel insecure. Follow girls who inspire you. Instead of making you compare yourself, create a cute playlist, cute wallpapers, cute routines, follow me on Pinterest. Your environment changes your mindset so much. When you romanticize your life, you start glowing differently. Pretty energy starts in your mind first. The way you talk changes how people see you. Speak lower, calmer, and more confidently. Stop apologizing for everything, okay, girl? A soft, feminine voice feels elegant and powerful.
I'm also just a girl standing in front of a board.
You don't need to be loud to stand out. Calm energy makes you look more attractive instantly. Quiet confidence is literally unforgettable. Girl. Sorry. Okay. Girl. Eye contact changes everything. Looking at people confidently makes you instantly more attractive. It gives confident feminine energy.
So we'll see you tomorrow.
Without even trying. Don't, remember this is very important, don't stare aggressively, okay? Just look calm and present. Don't do this. You know what I mean. Shy girls can still have powerful energy. Confidence is sometimes just looking up instead of down. Your eyes say more than your words ever will. Soft lips make your whole face look healthier and prettier. Drink more water and use lip balm consistently. Even a natural pink lip looks so cute and feminine. Dry lips can make you look tired instantly. A little lip care makes such a huge difference. So remember, glossy lips, effortless pretty girl energy. Tiny details create the biggest glow-ups. This tip changed my mindset so much. Wear cute, comfy clothes, even when nobody sees you. Looking put together helps you feel more confident. Your brain notices how you treat yourself daily. You deserve to feel pretty all the time, not only outside. Romanticize your mornings, your room, your routines. Pretty girl energy starts when you care about yourself privately too. And remember, my girls, the best glow up is becoming the happiest and most confident version of yourself. You do not need to look like anybody else to be beautiful. And my girls, that's it for today's video. I hope you like it so much. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye, my girls. Bye. Just subscribe.